Daily English, day 6. Okay, so each of these videos has a PDF which you're welcome to download from eflsongs.com. You just click on the button and download it. Very easy and free. Now, Daily English Day 6. So listening videos are available at www.eflsongs.com and on YouTube at eflsongs_com, the Daily English playlist. Word bank. No, man, out, other, so, what, time, up. A-B conversation. Listen to the conversation, fill in the blanks using the words from the word bank. Then listen again and read the captions for the answers. What time is the meeting today? It's at 3 o'clock, but some people are already there. So should we head out now? Yes, no man wants to be late today. True. What about the other team? They're still setting things up. Okay, let's walk over. I'll catch up in a minute. What time is the meeting today? It's at 3 o'clock, but some people are already there. So should we head out now? Yes, no man wants to be late today. True. What about the other team? They're still setting things up. Okay, let's walk over. I'll catch up in a minute. Listening script 1. Listen to the short story, fill in the blanks using the words from the word bank. Then listen again and read the captions for the answers. I woke up late this morning, so I had to hurry. When I got outside, the sun was already up. There was no man waiting at the bus stop. What time was it? I checked my phone. It was later than I thought, so I ran the rest of the way. Okay. I woke up late this morning, so I had to hurry. When I got outside, the sun was already up. There was no man waiting at the bus stop. What time was it? I checked my phone. It was later than I thought, so I ran the rest of the way. Okay, now listening script 2, comprehension. So listen and answer the comprehension questions. At the end of the school year, we had a talent show. Some students danced, others sang, and one man told jokes. He was nervous at first, but he made everyone laugh. After the show, students helped clean up. It was a fun time and we all felt proud of each other. Comprehension questions. 1. What event happened at school? 2. What did students do in the show? 3. How did the man feel at first? 4. What happened after the show? 5. How did students feel in the end?